Welcome to CodeSentinel. The global cybersecurity industry is facing a severe crisis, a shortage of over 3.5 million cybersecurity professionals worldwide. Meanwhile, software development is accelerating at an unprecedented pace thanks to AI coding assistance. This creates a dangerous asymmetry: code is being written faster than it can be secured. Existing security tools are fundamentally flawed for this new era. They rely on rigid rule sets, produce overwhelming false positives, and ultimately require a human engineer to analyze the finding, verify its exploitability, calculate the business risk, and write a secure patch. CodeSentinel solves this by replacing the traditional pipeline with an intelligent, autonomous multi-agent swarm. We chose a multi-agent architecture because security analysis is inherently collaborative and adversarial. A single language model prompted to find security bugs is prone to hallucination. CodeSentinel mirrors a real-world security operations center by deploying a swarm of 5 specialized agents using the Google ADK. Let's see it in action. Here is the Streamlit dashboard, which provides a real-time window into the swarm's activity. When we submit vulnerable code, the orchestrator, named Sentinel, routes the task. First, the scanner performs deep static analysis to find potential vulnerabilities. It uses an MCP tool server scoped strictly for parsing code. Once findings are extracted, the analyzer cross-references them with CVE databases and calculates formal CVSS-based scores using the CVE MCP server. Now comes the debate layer. If the scanner and analyzer disagree on a severity score, for instance, if the scanner flags MD5 hashing as high risk, but the analyzer downgrades it to medium because it's used for file checksums, the orchestrator forces a debate loop until consensus is reached. This drastically reduces false positives. Finally, the patcher generates secure code replacements, and the reporter compiles a final, CVE-grade security advisory. Looking at our final report, we can see the exact vulnerabilities, the side-by-side secure patches, and the detailed debate logs where the agents resolved their disputes. CodeSentinel was built entirely using the Antigravity IDE, demonstrating the deployability and security features required by the Kaggle Capstone project. By providing developers with an instant, autonomous security engineer that not only finds bugs but provides the exact secure code to fix them, businesses can reduce their mean time to remediation from months to minutes. Thank you for watching.